Good morning. Okay, day 4 of peeling. As you can see, I'm starting to peel here now. I'm feeling like I'm going to start around here where all that brown pigment is. I am keeping it quite moisturized with the cream, with our lipid barrier cream, and everything feels nice and tight, and yeah, that's about it. Enjoy this yucky, beautiful day. Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm going to be doing a post later on today about how you can pre-treat or prep your skin for 6 weeks with our products, and then you can book your chemical peel because, God willing, we'll be up and running by then. All right, say hi to Lola. Hi. Okay, thank you for watching our peel journeys. If you have more questions, we've gotten so many questions, so it's been really great and fun. And as you can see, when we tell people you're going to be down for the count for a few days, this is why. All right, bye.